H, baby. You all right? You good?
Oh, man, I'm good, man.
You get enough food, baby?
I'm gonna come nimble on something in a minute or two.
Okay. You know, just get you in a little bit of chrome and paint, man. You know what I'm saying? Let the world see what I see. Yeah, let y'all see. He got all that. We had a good day today. A lot of people came through. So, you know, I think today's been a good day. We what?
You're killing it.
I'm just telling you.
They're killing y'all out there. Y'all better bring y'all bike back. You've been leaving other people alone.
What you trying to look at, man? You looking for stuff. What you trying to see, baby?
I'm just looking how you got that knob on there. It's two-way tape, too.
What? Two-way tape, man. 3M. Qualified. 3M. The red version, baby. Holding that knob on there. It ain't going nowhere. It lasted 16.
We're gonna buy.
Yeah, y'all want to upgrade it?
Yeah, nah, you done.
Doug Adams.
You done upgraded
man,
since the last
this is my
time I
man.
was here, bro.
This is my man, OG Doug Adams, the original guy who helped put me on with a block punch deck back in the 80s, baby. I'm just letting y'all know. He the man.
He the man right
Hey,
now.
I'm just letting y'all see what I see,
He
baby.
the man right now.
All right.
You done did all that. You know, none of this shit done was clean.
Oh, you ain't heard it?
Brag and shake.
Hey y'all, it's Rob at Money's Car Stereo. As you see, we having a customer appreciation day, man. We got the old schools out here, the bikes out here. Man, I'm talking to the cameraman, the man behind the scenes of OGs on Chrome. Man, where you from, man? Tell us about yourself, baby.
Well, they call me GQ, G-K-U-E. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana.
New Orleans?
New Orleans.
Okay. What part of Orleans? I know there's a ward up in there somewhere.
Ninth Ward.
Ninth Ward?
Yeah.
Oh, let me ask you a question. Are the white people coming back?
Oh yeah.
They taking y'all shit?
They really are. Yes.
They want that back.
They want it all back.
Was it a pre-plan for this to happen, or somebody broke the levee? What happened?
That's what it was right there.
Oh.
When the levee broke, that allowed everybody to pretty much, because a lot of people didn't have flood insurance. You know what I'm saying? Flood insurance wasn't a real big thing back then.
Yeah.
So the federal government pretty much bailed a lot of the city out. It was giving people, chances to rebuild and stuff, but a lot of people took the money and they left. And so you have a lot of houses that were, messed up, gutted out, and things like that.
Yeah.
And so the property was like super low. So that was prime opportunity
For them to come on in, people who got pockets.
And so when people started finally, wanting to come back, they're like, well, dang, this my auntie house, and you want $600,000 for a little shotgun. But it was definitely Hurricane Katrina was the catalyst that sparked. Plus, I know we out here in the Bay, whatever. We got Silicon Valley and all that stuff, whatever. But New Orleans is rapidly becoming one of the tech epicenters of the South.
Y'all got manufacturing going and all that?
Just tech stuff, not manufacturing, but like app development, web space. Like,
okay. People who work in the office moves,
right.
getting them moving.
So that's like the wave down there. So it's a lot of money being made because the city's giving a lot of these companies big time
Incentives, okay.
Incentives and stuff.
Yeah.
So I could tell you, well, I want you to hire local talent, but your local talent may only be 10%.
And they ain't got the local skills too. They ain't got the skills to get in there.
Right. And so they push back like, well, we don't have the talent. We gotta hire. We gotta bring these people in. So now everybody's coming in. They getting paid hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, and where they gonna spend it?
Yeah.
So everything is
going up and up and up. I've seen that happen here, and I've seen it throughout the whole country. Wherever the black people were, they are now a target because they're in the best locations to get to all the places.
There's so many. It's crazy. When I'm riding around at home, you will see signs literally posted in the grass. We'll buy homes for cash.
Yeah.
Buy homes for cash. Call this number, buy homes for cash. So they're trying to buy everybody out.
Yeah.
It literally, like, I'm holding on to my house.
Yeah.
I'm holding on to the house I grew up in, the house I own now, because eventually a lot of people, another thing after Katrina, projects and things like that where a lot of people stayed in, it was torn down.
Yeah.
And so a lot of the people stayed there were displaced as well.
Where'd they all go?
And so different parts around the city. So they pushed them out of the inner city to the outer parts of the city.
Yeah.
You know, so now other people coming into those same spots.
Yeah.
You know, the city's trying to disguise it from time to time. It's like mixed income. We're gonna build this high rise right here, or this nice apartment complex. We call it mixed income housing.
Yeah.
You get the tax credit, but you might have 30 units. Only 5 is set aside for a low income family.
Yeah.
And that only gonna last for 5 years or 10 years. And then it's we can do whatever we want.
Yeah.
We done got your money. We done built a whole complex for pretty much free.
Funny thing you said that is because I was watching the thing about Chicago, Cabrini Greens and all that stuff. Prime real estate where all them projects were located by the lake. They wiped it all out, dispersed the people who were there throughout the city and outlying counties and stuff, and they ain't built shit on the place yet. And I'm just like, yeah. Wait, but back to what I was saying. Since you've been out here, you and Big Sale been rolling around the country and stuff, man, tell me some about the exciting stuff you've seen, man.
So, just the culture, like West Coast culture is different, and I said this, I got my own YouTube channel, shameless plug real quick, Just GQ, J-U-S-T space G-K-U-E. K-U-E. When I took my first ride this week, I was telling people back home, like, yo, the culture is ridiculous. Like, everything that people do, they really invest in it. Like, it's a real passion for people, not sprinkle here and there. It's like big.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Whether it's low riders, whether it's bikes, whatever they into, they into it. You know what I'm saying? So for me, that's pretty much the best thing I've been seeing is the continuation. It wasn't a one-off thing when I came out.
Oh, okay.
It's really like the whole West Coast.
Oh, yeah, well, where the pockets of where the people at, you know, they get down. Yeah.
It's on full display. I love it.
Okay, for sure. Well, I appreciate you guys came through and hope to see it. Where can these videos these show be seen at when y'all get it to the air?
When it's ready to air, you can subscribe to Motorcycle Entertainment Television by going to www.motorcycleentertainmenttelevision.com. Subscribe is only $25 for a year's worth of access. All shows will be airing September 23rd. It's a hard launch. And you get a full year access for only $25. Now, I can't guarantee that price a few months from now, a year from now, but right now it's $25. So go ahead and tell your friends, sign up. There's a lot of culture being shown on the channel, all motorcycle related.
Okay.
If you have any, they have everything for you. They have biker churches, a biker church service.
What?
Biker church service on there. Working on a motorcycle related cartoon for kids and things like that. There's also, you got your OGs on Chrome, like we said with Big Sale, getting a lot of history from the OGs in the game. It's still something for everybody. So definitely tune in. You can also check out Big Sale's personal page, FHO Atlanta GA.
Okay.
We post a lot of stuff related to Motorcycle Entertainment Television and OGs on Chrome. You can also check my channel out once again, Just GQ, J-U-S-T space J-K-U-E for all my personal related motorcycle activities as well.
Hey, okay, that's good to know. As y'all see, I know somebody who knows somebody. I want you to know somebody too. That's all I got to say. Money's Car Stereo, we out of here.
Hey.
All right, for sure.
I thought I was popular. This dude made popular. He got Samoans, Mexicans, Negroes.
I'm international.
Asian,
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just saying, you did your thing today.
Okay, right.
But I thank everybody for coming out, man, to do the film. We filmed the show here today. Rob, I thank you. I appreciate you for being my friend. I know it ain't been easy to be my
Yeah.
But I thank you, brother. This is a beautiful setup, man. The city came out and showed you love. So.
Okay. Like I said, like Big Sale, I'm gonna take his saying and say, hey, I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. That's all I gotta say. Hey, y'all, we out of here.